Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Stewart here with some more math fact practice. So here we're going to do zeros and ones mixed together. So let's start with your name at the top. So I'm going to write my name, and then we're going to do a little bit together, and then have you do the rest on your own. So remember, we have to be watching if it's a +1 or a +0. If it's a +1, you just go to the next number. So the number after 4 is 5. If it's a +0, the number stays the same. So this one's going to be an 8. Okay, so if I have 2 + 1, when I'm counting, what comes after 2? 3. This one is a +0, so it stays the same. It's 7. 3 + 1, the number after 3 is 4. 6 + 1, the next number is 7. And with 5 + 0, what do you think? Is it going to stay the same, or is it going to go to the next number? You are so smart. It stays the same. It's going to stay, so it's 5. So just like we've been doing, I want you to go ahead and try these ones on your own. And when you're finished, raise your hand and wait for me, and I will come check it to see if you can go on to your next station. Good job, boys and girls.